folks, this is Paul with WMS, just showing you the Komatsu dozer running here. Going through all the gears, all 3 gears work forward and back. Turns on a dime just like it should. The left pedal was sticking a little bit when it came in, but it is loosened up, working now. So turning left and right, everything's working just like it should now, as you can see. So good running Komatsu dozer. We'll do a walk around video as well, but she starts good. Actually, I'll show you. Fires right up. Does like it should. It's got a freshly rebuilt motor in it. That's what we were told when we traded it in. So should be a good running machine. Check it out at WMSOhio.com.